nephew anyway. You know, I'm just gonna say to Miggy Labitag, you're not my nephew anyway, Miggy. We're criticizing Rodrigo Duterte. You don't know what does Rodrigo Duterte help the Filipino people to rehabilitate when he declare a war on drugs? You know, this is hard to all those Catholics. I say again, Miggy Labitag. You know, for me, when you were still a kid, you love Rodrigo Duterte, and now you became a teenager, you hate Rodrigo Duterte. That's very disrespectful. For example, oh, if I want to show you a reality, oh, I say to Miggy Labitag, if you're being caught by a holdupper, oh, I mentioned by Luis Cabales, or Luis Cabales, um, have said to me there are lots of holdupper, snatcher, kidnappers. Since without Rodrigo Duterte, oh, there are lots of people who are pickpocketing. I don't want to get harm to Miggy Labitag. The only that Miggy Labitag to focus in his psychologist, in a psychiatrist, the reason why he playing Roblox. That's why for those kids who playing Roblox, you know, Roblox is not really important when you see in the person those four teenagers who wants to attempt to what is that, mass shooting in the schools, like, you know what, so that schools anyways, Laguna or in Calabarzon. That's why for parents to monitor what they are playing at Roblox. That's why I never heard it, you know, that time. Why was Miguel Abitag was upset and he was very angry and you don't know what's really happiness? For playing Roblox, you know, for Ate Michelle, I say to you, you're a mother of Miguel Abitag. Tell him, do not play Roblox. Because Roblox is very violence. You know, if you see the Roblox, if I want to share you something about in Recibo, that was the documentary from Emil Sumangil. Do not play Roblox. Me, I'm not particularly I play Roblox. Or Roblox is really violence for those kids, even children as well, even teenagers. You know, for me, I asked teacher Jessa Fernandez children, do not play Roblox. It will cost you a doctorate. Oh, that's why in the Philippines, they should ban Roblox. If they play Roblox, that will be cause of violence. Me, I never want to play violence. Like, for example, Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Oh, it's not really violence. It's a tactical shooting. The real problem anyway, Roblox is causing violence. That's why I was told by J. Rick Silva, if you play Roblox, that will cause a violence. Like Paulo Cruzada, who play a Roblox, who make a bomb threat, who make a bomb joke to harass Teacher May. What did he play? Roblox. Because, you know, Roblox should be banned in the Philippines. It has to be banned. I agree with those parents to support to ban Roblox in the Philippines. According to the Cybercrime Investigative Coordinating Center, or CICC. So, for perhaps if you want to play Roblox, you want to play Roblox. There is the education game I was mentioned by David Gill. Jumpstart. Oh, why can't Miguel Abitag play Need for Speed? Oh, instead of Roblox. Oh, I asked Miggy Labitag, you can play Call of Duty Modern Warfare in Reboot series in computer instead of Roblox. I want to tell something to all parents, even the mother of Ate Mayang, I mean the mother of RM Ate Mayang or RM that kid. You know RM play Roblox. His mother Ate Mayang never reprimand RM to play Roblox. So RM when he play outside in the house in the some area, he didn't play Roblox. Oh, this is hard to say for everyone. Roblox is violence. It's really violence. You know, for all of you, for all of us, we do not play Roblox.